Hi all! Welcome to the Python Now YouTube channel. Here I talk about Python in simple words, only the most important and necessary to start writing code. Today we are going to talk about variables. What is variable in Python? To create a variable in Python, you have to write the code like this. On the left is the name of our variable. You can name it whatever you want, a single letter or a whole sentence, but I don't think you will ever do that. The only rule that important is that the variable must start with a letter or an underscore character. You cannot start with a number. The variable is followed by the equal operator. It's followed by the value. This operator tells the Python interpreter, hey, create a cell, store it in a memory, so I can refer to it anytime and assign a value. Therefore, when I access that variable, it will give me the value. What value can we put in a variable? Actually, any value. We can put numbers, text, float numbers, a list of values, even a function that can do some action and then return a value. The point is that anything you write here will be assigned to this variable. Thus, variable is a place where you can put almost any value and then refer to use it. Here is a simple example. I will create variable named like and put value in it with the following text. Click to like this video. Now, when I refer to that variable, for example, with the print command, which prints this value to the screen, I will get the text, click to like this video. So, thanks for watching and don't forget to like this video.